percentage calculations, which is very, very important in pharmaceutical industry. So in percentage calculations, you have to learn different methods. Then only you can get all these things. Yes. First one is in percentage calculations, percentage weight by volume. Weight by volume, nothing but solid in liquid. Then percentage volume by volume. Percentage volume by volume is nothing but in liquid. Then percentage volume by weight. So is nothing but liquid in solid. Then percentage weight by weight. Percentage weight by weight is nothing but so solid in solid, the mixture of powders. So these are all the four important percentage calculations which you have to remember. So if you learn these, you can do any dilutions easily. So there are different processes while doing the dilution. For the dilution will be very easy. So first and foremost thing is you have to remember there is four types of percentages will be there. Main one is percentage weight by weight, nothing but solid in liquid. And second one is percentage volume by volume, that is liquid in liquid. Then percentage volume by weight, that is liquid in solid. And percentage weight by weight, that is a solid in solid, a mixture of powders. Yeah. So these are the standards. Preparation of 1% solution. So preparation of 1% solution in both systems. We just look after these standards today. So preparation of 1% solution, weight by volume. If you take a weight by volume, then in empirical system, what is the standards means in empirical system, 1 grain of solid in solvent to produce 110 minutes. This is the standard. Based on this standard, we have to do remaining conversions and calculations. 1 grain of solid in solvent to produce 110 minutes. And 4.375 grains of solid in solvent to produce 1 fluid ounce of solution. And 35 grains of solid in solvent to produce 1 fluid ounce. This is what very, very important in empirical system. Then which is very, very important nowadays using that metric system. In metric system, we feel confused here itself. So there are four concepts. In these four concepts, you have to learn, remember first. So first one is if you want to prepare 1% solution, you want to prepare 1% solution in a metric system, 1 gram of solid is dissolved in 100 ml of solvent. So actually one main and standard mistakes by the students or some people is everyone takes 100 ml and add 1 gram of a solid in it. So taking 100 ml and adding 1 gram of a solid or a solute to is not a correct process. So you have to take 1 gram in a solution, in a what you call in a solvent, or if you 10 ml of solvent or 20 ml of solvent, then you have to make it up to 100 ml is the correct process. For preparation of 1%, you have to take 1 gram of solute and add in the solvent few small amount of the solvent and get it dissolved and finally make it up to 100 ml in the volumetric flask. Then you will get a 1%. Remember that simply you don't want to take 100 ml and add 1 gram. You have to take 1 gram of solute and add few ml of solvent and get it dissolved first and then make it up to 100 ml. Then you will get 1%. Same thing, remaining also same thing. So 1 gram of solid have to be mixed in 100 grams of a solvent or a mixer. Then you will get 1% weight by weight. 1 gram of 1 ml of solid have to mix it in 100 ml. Then you will get 1% volume by volume. Then 1 ml of solid in solvent to produce 100 grams of a solvent, total solution or a mixer or a product. Then it is called 1% volume by weight, which is very, very important. So first three are very important. One is weight by volume, where we are using it. So for the preparation of solutions and the different liquid dosage forms, we should use this weight by volume. Weight by weight, we should use this in the preparation of powders and tablets. Even for mixing of tablets, we have to mix different types of powders, and finally we have to make it develop a tablet. So which is very very important. Volume by volume is nothing but liquid in liquids. We have to prepare number of liquid dosage forms. In that you have to use this calculations, which is very very important. Then first one is percentage weight by volume. Percentage weight by volume. Sorry, here it is a volume. Weight by volume actually. So example for percentage calculations. Example for percentage calculations. Let us we see. Calculate the quantity of sodium. Calculate the quantity of sodium chloride required to prepare 400 ml. Here we have to take weight. Okay. 400 ml of 0.9% solution. Calculate the quantity of sodium chloride required to prepare 400 ml of 0.9% solution. So let us see. Then 1 gram solvent to produce 100 ml makes 1%. Already we learn now. 1 gram solvent to produce 100 ml, nothing but 1%. Nothing but if you take 1 gram of a solute and mixed it in a few amount of water or any solvent and finally make up of 100 ml, then you will get 1% weight by volume solution. Here they have given that 0.9% solution. So 1% in 100 ml is 1 gram, means how much for 0.9 grams? 0.9 into 1, then 0.9%. Simply we can take like this. 0.9 into 400 ml, what we are going to prepare 400 ml by 100. So what is this 100? Why we have to take 100 means it's a percentage. They have given that it's a percentage. In percentage, then we have to consider that 100. So 0.9 into how much you have to prepare? Nothing but what is this? Required concentration. So this is required volume. Then this is the concentration volume used 100 ml. 1 gram for 100 ml. So consider this now just as a standard. Then we have to take this 100. So 0.9 into 400 by 100. Finally, what you will get? 3.6 grams. We can simply calculate that if 1 gram is 1%, 1 gram in 100 ml is 1%, 0.9 grams in 100 ml will be 0.9%. Simply 0.9 grams in 100 ml is 0.9. How you will get that? You will get it by cross multiply. 0.9 into 1 by 1. X is equal to 0.9 into 1 by 1. Then you will get a 0.9%. That is what the calculation. So for 0.9%, this is the percentage means for this is for 100 ml. This is for 100 ml. 0.9% is for 100 ml. Nothing but 0.9 grams. 0.9 grams in 100 ml. So 0.9 grams in 100 ml means then into how many? 400. Nothing but how many hundreds are there? 400s. Nothing but 0.9 into 100. Nothing but 400. Then you will get 3 point. Then you will be having a one more 100 here. Then simply what do you call? Simply 0.9 grams in multiples of 4, because 400s. So for 100 ml 0.9 grams, for 400 ml means you have to simply multiply with the 4. Then you will get the 3.6 grams. Then it's final answer. This 3.6 grams of sodium chloride is dissolved in water to produce 400 ml, makes 0.9% weight by volume solution. This is what the percentage calculations of weight by volume. Hope you understand. 10. So percentage weight by volume, volume by volume, percentage volume by volume, volume in volume. For percentage calculations. For example, one more example. Prepare 600 ml of 60% alcohol for 95% alcohol. If you prepare 600 ml of 60% alcohol for 95% alcohol. So how to prepare? Then we are having here 95% alcohol. 95% alcohol to be taken. So prepare 600 ml of 60% alcohol from 90% alcohol. What it means you have to prepare 600 ml total volume. Volume required will be 600 ml of what? 60% alcohol. So you have to prepare the concentration. You should prepare the concentration of 60% from 95% alcohol. So simply, if you consider that you are having a bottle of alcohol which is having a concentration of 95%, you are having an alcohol which is having 95%. So you are having a bottle contains 95% alcohol. Then your sir told to you to prepare 60% alcohol. Your sir told to you prepare 60% alcohol for experimental purpose. Then how much you have to prepare? Sir, how much you have to prepare 60%? Sir told to you, you can prepare 600 ml. You can prepare 600 ml. Simply, you are having a bottle of alcohol, the concentration is 90%, and your sir told to you to prepare 60% alcohol from this. From by using this, you have to prepare 60%. Then how much have to be prepared means you have to prepare 600 ml. Then so let us you have to start the calculation for the preparation of these things. So only one important thing you have to remember, that is you can prepare from higher concentration to lower concentrations. You can prepare by using higher concentration, you can prepare the lower concentration. Nothing but from 95 you can prepare 60, but from 60 you can't prepare 95. So you are having 95% alcohol, then you have to prepare 60% alcohol, then you can do it. So how much you have to prepare? 600 ml. So let us receive a small formula for this. Simply, if you want to make it simplify, then you have to make it into formula. But you can use your brains, then you can easily do in a different manners, even no problem. So first thing is volume required. So volume required. How much volume you required? 600. What your salt told is you have salt told you to prepare 600 ml. Then volume required is 600. Then percentage, how much percentage your salt told to prepare? The percentage is the salt told to prepare 60% alcohol. Then the percentage will be 60%. And percentage used from how much, from which concentration you have to prepare? From 95% you have to prepare. Simply volume required is 600 ml, and percentage required to prepare is 60%, and from which concentration you have to prepare? From 95%. So volume required will be 600, percentage required will be 60, and finally percentage used will be 95. Then you have to calculate, then simply you will get 379 ml. But some students while calculating simply do some mistakes, like if it is having any plus here, if it is having any plus 600 plus 60, then directly you go for 95. Then in the calculator it will be get a mistake. So you have to do up to here first, then go for answer and then divide. Then you will get a good answer. If it is a multiplication, there is no problem, you will get the same answer, no problem. But if it is a addition or subtraction, then you will get a problem. So one thing that you have to remember in additions and subtractions. So this is about, so hope you understand this. Then as we go for next problem. So percentage weight by weight. Example percentage calculations is So weight by weight means we have to mix two powders if you want, or we can take that solution in the form of a weight, no problem. We can take a solution in the form of a weight. We can consider while we are preparing syrups. Syrups will be considered weight by weight only. 66.7% of syrup sucrose have to be used weight by weight. So how many grams of drug substance should be used to prepare 240 grams of 5% weight by weight solution in water? So this is what the calculation is. Then let us see. Drug substance to be taken. Drug substance to be taken. So then the formula will be weight required into percentage required by percentage used. Already what we done in that last example, same thing is weight required here because it's a solid, weight required, and percentage used. So volume required, how much finally you have to prepare? You have to prepare 240 grams. You have to prepare 240 grams volume required. Percentage required, how much percentage you have to prepare? 5%. You have to prepare 5%. From they didn't give anything, then you have to consider that percentages is nothing but 100%. If they give some concentration, then you take that particular concentration, whether it is 60%, 70%, 90%, whatever. If in the problem, if they give the concentration, from that you have to prepare, means you have to take that. Then if they didn't give anything, then you have to consider based upon the percentages, then you have to consider 100. This is what important, remember. Then simply weight required, how much weight required? So weight required is equal to 240 grams and percentage required is equal to 5 and divided by 100. Finally, you will get a 12 grams. So this is what about weight by weight calculations. So there are you if you want to learn this, you have to prepare number of problems. Simple thing to remember or to learn is doing number of times. We will remember easily whatever you do repeatedly. So remember that whatever we do, remember it properly. So that's what the main reason why you have to prepare every day. So